Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. So I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Pro 2018 12.9 inch is it retina display? I don't know. So it's just come through the post. I'm showing you this way around because the other side has my address. So it's by DHL. Which is a parcel company. So I'm going to rip the yellow package off first. And I'm going to open it. Whoa. So, and it comes with some stuff. Comes with, we hope you like your order. I suppose I will do, won't I? Obviously. Same there. And it just says that it comes with the SIM and the iPad. And then this is the SIM card. This just says, now that you have your new device, why not cast in your old one? I would, but I won't get anything for it. And then this. Ding, you've got a text message. And it just says, hey, it's O2, we're too excited to wait for your new device to be up and running. Just had to drop you a text. Thanks for choosing us, here's what else you get. Exclusive experiences every day with priority. Excellent network coverage, fair deals all the time, tech support from O2 gurus, and helpful advice from your friendly O2 community. You can even trade in your old tech forecast with O2 Recycle. So boot up your new device and let's get connected. Speak soon. Thanks. And then it says thanks. It's actually quite funny that. Right. And then it comes in a cardboard box. Which I don't know why. Oh. Probably should have put some scissors with me, but did all that messing about and there was a lever. Or like a tab thing what you pulled. Oh, that. Look at how ginormous the iPad is. Like, what the fridge is that about? So this is, like I said, the iPad Pro.
I did. Oh, sorry.
I
did all this, but sorry.
The 64 gigabytes. And it says iPad Pro, this is a 12.9 inch and it's Wi-Fi ancillary. You can just get the Wi-Fi one. But I'm like, do you know what? Who has time for that? And now iPad have done like an amazing thing. They have like an actual tab now where you just pull it. How satisfying is this? And then you just rip that off. See you later. Are you ready? I don't know how to film this. Hang on a minute. I do have shirts on. I'm not just naked. Look at how ginormous the iPad is. It's like an actual computer. Look how big that is, man.
What?
Oh, it's freezing cold. I got the silver one. We only had silver space grey. And I got a silver. And then in the box, open this up. And you have, you know, the waffle of all the stuff that it comes with. You know, like the instruction manual. What just pops out. We have, is this a warranty? Yeah, I believe that's the warranty. And we have the SIM injector tool. And then Apple stickers, which I still don't know what they are for. Fun fact. Still don't know what they're for. And then we have the charger. Obviously, I'm in the UK, so I have the 3-pin. Obviously, people in America won't. They'll have the 2. You just pop it open like so. This is what it looks like. It's actually ginormous, that plug. And it's actually not lightning cable anymore. It's I believe it's called like USB-C, I want to say, which I don't understand. But apparently it's meant to be better than lightning cable. I don't know. I'm not into tech. But this is what it actually looks like. It's actually really weird. Like it's a different port to the lightning cable. I don't understand, but oh wow. Right, let's set this bad boy up. I don't think it'll need charge, but what I'll do is I'm just going to move all the stuff. Sorry. Move all the stuff and then like get rid of the stuff that I don't need, and then I'll put the SIM card in, and then I'll come back to you when I'm setting it up. Alright, so I've moved all the stuff and I've unboxed the iPad, and this is what it looks like. I haven't turned it on. Look how massive it is. Like, that is absolutely crazy. This is the back. Like I said, I got the silver. I put the SD card in. I haven't turned it on as of yet because I don't know if it's in right, the SD card, but we're going to turn it on and hope for the best. Where is it? Do you know what? I'm going to try my best to like put it down and then come down here. I'm sorry that you only have to see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so it says hello. That is absolutely massive. The iPad, and the screen is amazing. I'm on 80%. And I've got no service. You can if you want. So you swipe up. You can't see what I'm doing, which is really annoying me. Right, so I'm just gonna have to do it like this. English. Select your country, United Kingdom. Quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad, and then oh, okay. Let me do my iPhone.
This is top. Oh,
so basically you just sit it next to each other, apparently. I don't know if this works. Shh, because apparently it isn't, but it's all good. It's actually not working. It works for people in America, but it doesn't work for people in the UK. We'll just set it up manually. I just need to put in my password for the internet. Right. Now I'm just got it charged for now because I'm going to leave it to charge while I go out. It says data and privacy, so we're just going to click continue. And this actually comes with Face ID. It doesn't come with a home button or touch ID. It's actually Face ID, which I think is fab. So we're going to continue. So I'm just going to set up a Face ID. Okay, this is weird. I have it on my phone and it's the best thing in Britain. Right, and that is set up. Continue, and now I'm just going to create a passcode. So let me just think of one. Okay, I've done that. And it just says apps and data restore from iCloud backup, which I'm going to do because then I can have. No, I'm actually not. I want to set it up from like a new iPhone. Just how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPad. I don't want to because I want to set it up as like a new and download like different things on here compared to my phone. So I'm just going to enter my Apple ID. Righty-ho, so now it says keep your iPad up to date, get the latest installs and iOS automatic, so I'm just going to click continue. Location services, I'm going to set enable. Siri, we're going to click continue. Hey Siri! Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. So now that is ready. Screen time, get a weekly report. We're going to share that. Analytics, we're going to share that, and app analytics, we're going to share that. Two-tone display, this is like new for iOS 13, I'm pretty sure. So this is it with it, and then that's without it. So that's like that and that. I prefer it with like the yellowy kind of background to the blue. And this is the appearance of light or dark. That's dark and that's light. I like to set it like at a certain timer to go dark. So I'm going to click continue for light. Go home. It just shows you because like now we don't have a home button. You've got to like swipe up from the bottom of the edge. Click continue. Quick access from the to the dock. You just like swipe on the little thing. Switch between recent apps. You basically swipe and hold, and then it comes up with a bunch of stuff. Quickly access controls. You just basically pull down from like the top, and it says welcome to iPad. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to your dinner.
It just says I just need to verify my email address. But it just comes with like a bunch of like stuff that I probably won't use, so I'm going to delete them. Right here, okay, so 2 pulses of corn. And now I'm actually changing, I'm not in my pyjamas. So that's fun, isn't it? So this is the pencil kind of thing. Yeah, it's a pencil, isn't it? Pen, stylus pen. I don't know if it's going to work with this iPad actually. And then this is my case. I just need to pull the tab. So I can actually have a case for my iPad now. Oh, it comes in. Oops, this. Just says Cosmo Series Protection Case for iPad by iBlazing, I'm going to say. As and then we go that. A real pretty case. I'm glad I picked it. They're like for some reason for iPads they have the most boring cases in Britain. But for iPhones they have like really pretty cases. I don't understand it. So I tried to go for the one what is all right, and not just one plain colour, because it was just literally just a plain colour and that was it. And I was like, do you know what? I'm not in for that. So this is a case. I actually really like it. This is like flapping the blue. And this is like really hard. So I'm gonna put it in. It's on charge, but it don't actually need to be in charge. I can't pull it out. Got it. I need to make sure it's like the right way around. So after an hour, it's finally in. Looks like. And then this, like, gap here, is where the Apple Pencil would sit, but I don't have the Apple Pencil, so I'm hoping this can like sit up here. I'm not sure if it will. But this is a smart cover, so when you take this off, it reveals, like, it wakes the iPad up. You get what I mean? Like that. So would it open without like doing anything like that? So I'm not touching anything, and it already wakes up. So yeah, I'm happy about that, and I love the design. I'm glad I picked this. And it's actually really heavy like now. And you can just walk about like this, just like doo-doo-doo. Right, so let's open this pencil thing, or pen. Got into it. So it comes with a user manual. We'd love to hear from you. A coffee thing. 2 like extra tips. This is a tweezers for like pinch it out and off. Yeah. This is the charger for it. And then this is the pen itself. So basically you just turn it on.